Hey guys, remember how last video we were watching a space video? We stopped watching a space video, and I think today is the day where I want to decorate some. It's Talk Like the Pirate Day right now. I'm gonna furnish the living room right now. I do like every room like in each video. Wait, there was another bookshelf. I'll get rid of that later. And sell that. What's wrong with the noise? I think there's something wrong. I think the computer was like glitching out a little bit. Oh, there we go. My dad helped me get the noise back on. And I'm just gonna get rid of this couch. She looks so funny, like sitting like on nothing. But I'm gonna get her a nice couch. Like this one. Ooh, no. I like this one. Sure, we can wear that. Can have that. House. Actually, it doesn't suit that well. I want it to be modern, but not too modern. What color do I want it? Oh, I'll get a white one. I'll change the color later when I place it down. Like that. Change the color. Hold a second. It's glitching out. So guys, I think I'm going to decorate this. Hold a second. What's wrong? Why is there such a glitch? Alright, let's, what's wrong? Like this. There we go. Got the couch I finally wanted. Go back to this tool. Get rid of these chairs. I hate these chairs. This boring little lamp now. Get rid of this chair I meant. Get rid of that chair. Get rid of the lamps. I want to get a nice rug for this room. What's this? No, I don't want this paint. This mirror is too nice. I don't want it to look old-fashioned. I want it to look like it was today. Like today, not old-fashioned. Like modern, but not too modern. Like 10 years ago. Like not like a super modern house, but not an unmodern house. Anything I like. I really like this one. It was in my old house, well, Ina's old house. Place it down. Can't, so I want to keep that there. I just want to change the carpet color. Sorry if it's like glitching out. I'm gonna go to people mode soon. Don't worry. Ugh. I think I'm gonna undo getting this rug and change the color. I'm gonna sell it and get the carpet again so that way I can try again and change the color before I place it down. Ugh. What's wrong with this? What is wrong with this game? I think there's something a little wrong with build mode, because people mode seems to be fine. No, I don't want to get this. Like, we're toddlers. We're not a toddler. I like this. This is good. I think our room is done. Next time I'm gonna do the bathroom. I like the TV the way it is. Bella's feeling happy and John is asleep. Oh no, Bella's not happy anymore. I'm gonna get you some milk. Poor Bella! Are you okay? And the babies I can't get to, I can't control them because they're babies. We gotta figure out what's wrong. Don't worry, your mom, Anya, is gonna take care of you. You're gonna cook something. I think the kitchen's like alright, except those cabinets and that rooster. Cooking a grand meal. Oh yeah, I forgot I told someone to cook a meal. I forgot who it was. And since you're pregnant, you're getting a little hungry. I'm gonna get you to eat something. You're feeling hungry too. You're cooking something. That's good. Let's just wait for it to get cooked. I don't want you to cook because your husband's cooking for you. Feed. Are you hungry again? Babies get hungry, I think, more because, I don't know. Why? Just babies sometimes feel like that babies get hungrier than adults when they're first born, but then they start growing out of it. It's the second floor. Didn't give you a tour because it wasn't a very nice house yet. Alright, you're gonna rock him. You're happy. New baby. You want to make a friend? You're gonna grab a serving. You're grabbing a serving too. My Sims are so good. Sometimes like they're giving themselves servings, and they're taking care of themselves sometimes. Both John's not asleep anymore, and Bella is. Well, it's so cute when the babies are asleep and when they're awake. You can't really tell if they're boys or girls because they're just babies. Wait, I want you to chat with them. I want you to send a happy text to. Can you send a happy text to? You can send happy texts to the people from your club. Okay, we're gonna finish up soon because we cooked a grand meal. And the next time we're going to like create the kitchen because the kitchen's also pretty easy, and then the dining room. I don't know. We're gonna just play it by ear. How are the babies? John's good. Bella's good. I can age them up right now, but I just don't want to until it's their birthday. What? Tomorrow's their birthday anyway. I can't believe I went in Sims 4. I had twins in Sims 4 before, but I deleted the game where I had twins, and it was basically my family when we were like younger, and I forgot to make sure. I didn't know how to make people not be able to have babies then. I was like very new to Sims. How are our little babies doing? They're very cute. All right. Oh, I love our babies. All right. I think I'm gonna finish up now. So guys, I hope you like this video. Give a like, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.